Roxie's rope, plant hanger tutorial, enjoy!
What you will receive in your kit: 4 4-meter color cord, 1 1-meter neutral color cord, 1 hoop, 1 1-meter color cord, 8 3.5-meter neutral color cord. Step 1. Grab all 8 of the neutral color cord and thread them through the hoop. Make sure the ends of the cord are as even as possible, like so. Step 2. Line up the 1-meter neutral color rope to the 8 ropes. Use your hand to loop around the back. Now start wrapping around the rope from the top to the bottom. Make sure you wrap it around 10 times. A good tip here is to keep the rope as firm as possible while you wrap it around. End this knot by threading the rope through the loop at the bottom. Pull the loose rope at the top hard enough that the loop disappears. Sometimes when pulling the loop through, the rope shifts, so it's best to keep a firm grip. Cut the remaining parts of the rope like so. Tuck the ropes in to make them look nice and neat. And adjust it to how you like it. Step 4. Divide the ropes into groups of 4. You'll be working with one group at a time. To perform a square knot, you'll need to grab a 3.5-meter colored rope. Use the center of the colored rope and place it as close as possible to the top. This next part is going to be a little bit tricky. You create a loop from the left-hand side. The right-hand side of the cord goes over the left, behind the 4 neutral cords, and through the loop you created on the left. And pull to tighten. Take the right-hand side of the color cord and create a backwards 4. Make sure the right cord is behind the left. Now take the left cord, thread it behind the 4 neutral color cords and through the loop. And pull to tighten. So now we're going to do that again, but on the opposite side. Take the left-hand side of the color cord and this time create a 4. Make sure the left cord is behind the right. Now take the right cord and thread it behind the 4 neutral colored cords and through the loop. Pull to tighten. The combination of threading through the left loop and again through the right loop creates one completed square knot. Perform 20 knots in total. You will start to see your macrame plant hanger come to life. Make sure you are alternating from the left sequence to the right sequence so that you don't end up with a spiral knot. Now that you have done that, turn it around and perform a double knot. Now grab your scissors and cut off the remaining parts of the cord. So this is what it should look like at the back, and this is what it should look like at the front. Repeat the process 3 more times, remembering to use 4 cords for each section. Always double check that they're the same length before you cut it. Grab 2 cords from each section that are closest to each other, and with these 4 cords, perform a square knot, approximately 10 centimeters down. If you've made a mistake, don't worry, you can always adjust it by untying the knot and then tying it back up again. Repeat this process until you've completed 4 square knots and that all of the cords are connected. Now we are repeating the same wrap knot we did at the start. Grab the last cord, which should be the 1 meter color cord. I'll give you another quick rundown on how to do this knot again. Start by making a loop around your 4 fingers and pull the cord from behind and start wrapping the cord from the top to the bottom. Make sure you wrap it around 10 times before you thread the last part of the cord through the loop. Finish it by pulling the loose cord at the top, again keeping a firm grip. Once you've done that, cut the remaining pieces off and tuck it in to make it look nice and neat. This is the last step. Cut the bottom off to make it all even and you're done.